Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? My name is Debbie. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Okay, I have a couple of unbaggings to do, but first I want to say thank y'all to all those subscribers. I hit, it's over 700 now, and I'm sorry I didn't get to do the video. I've been super busy. I'm making pins now, so I've been busy with that, and then the grandkids and all that stuff. So sorry if this video is late, but I will be doing a giveaway, and it will be the giveaway. I'm gonna do a live on Sunday, this Sunday, and I'm gonna post it on YouTube. I'm going to do a live, so if you want to enter the giveaway, you need to come watch my live, and I'll tell y'all what to do or say or whatever. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but whatever it is I do, I'm going to do it on Sunday during the live, and a little goodie box will be given away then. Some diamond paintings and stuff, some little goodies. I have a few packages I need to ship out, but I would like to ship them, bring them to the post office and ship them all out at one time, because my post office is not right here. It's in, I have to drive a little bit. I mean, it's not that far, but instead of going back and forth 15 times, I want to go once. I do check my P.O. box every other day or every 3 days though. So if you did send me something and to my P.O. box, I didn't check it yet. I went, I went check it yesterday, but I'm gonna go this weekend and see what's what. So anyway, I'm gonna do these unbaggings, and then like I said, don't forget that I am gonna do a giveaway on my live on Sunday. I hope y'all join me. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the like and subscribe button. This helps my channel. Yeah, so I'm sorry y'all, what is everybody up to, and how are your families? What's going on? Everybody's good, not good, okay? Besides the heat, this 100 and something degree weather is ridiculous, but I complained in the winter. I can't wait till summer. Yeah, well, that's what I get. That's what I get. I get that. Oh my God. Lord, let me put on my glasses. Okay, because I can't see without them, without these readers. I'm going to do an unbagging. 2 packages. One I purchased, one was Happy Meal. Okay, we're going to do the Happy Meal first. That's what I do. Yo, I am doing those pins. I have a pin order, a couple pin orders. So that's what I've been working on, like trying to revamp my supplies and working on those pins. I'm going to epoxy them in a little while, and then probably this weekend I'll add the vinyl, because I like to, I can't even open it. I like for the vinyl to dry really good before I, the epoxy, before I add the vinyl. And then sometimes you have to put another two thin coats. Good Lord, I can't open this. Okay, the struggle bus, man. Good God. Okay, I'm just lift up everything. Okay, so let's read the note. I know who this is from. Okay, so to Diamond Painting Cajun from Stephanie Grace, a diamond painter in New York. Thank you, Stephanie. That's so sweet. Wanted to send this to you. Hopefully you enjoy. She has an Etsy shop. Her Etsy shop is KNS Custom D Pins. And yeah, this is called Beach Babies Diamond Painting Pin. Oh God. Yeah, this is her information. This is her Etsy shop. So I'm gonna put it right here so y'all all can take a screenshot. Y'all go visit her K&S Custom DP Pins on Etsy. This is her shop. And I'm about to look at, y'all gonna see her stuff in a second. She sent me some candy. Thank you, Stephanie. And she sent me some, stickers, y'all. Look how cute. Oh, that's so cute. And it says, don't forget the happy thoughts. Yep, true story. That is so cute. I like stickers. I'm just saying, I stick them everywhere. Like a kid. Look how cute, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna oh, that's cute. Look how cute, y'all. No way. Look how cute this is. Y'all know I like sea ocean related stuff. Anything sea or ocean related, anything that lives in the ocean, the beaches, everything. This is a diamond painting pen. Oh, Stephanie, that's so cute. Man, that's cute. I really like it. It's so cute. Look, y'all, I gotta show y'all again. Okay, I'm gonna take it out the package so y'all can see. So she is K&S Custom DP Pins on Etsy, and I'm gonna link her store in the description portion of this video. Y'all go check her out. Oh, Stephanie, that's so cute. Okay, so let me see if I can get this thing out. Yeah. Yo, that's so cute. Okay, so this is the pen. Look, the sea turtles. Oh my God. I didn't know it had sea turtles. All I could see was the shells. I'm blind because I did not see the sea turtles. Yo, look at how cute. And look how sparkly. Oh my goodness, Stephanie. That's so cute. Yo, I hope y'all catching this because this is cute. I'm not gonna lie. This is so stinking cute. Look at that. Look how sparkly it is. Oh my God, Stephanie, that's so cute. I love it. It is my jam. Oh my God, it's so cute. Yo, for real. This is cute. One more time. This is cute. Check it out, y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I like sea turtles though, for real. Come on, focus. Focus. Y'all, that is too cute. Stephanie, thank you so much. This was given to me by Stephanie. This is Happy Mail. This is a diamond painting pen. It has a 7-placer and a 1-placer. I'm sorry, I forgot to explain because y'all, it's so cute. It's so cute. She has an Etsy shop, and I'm going to show y'all her Etsy shop again. Hold on one second. I'm going to get it to y'all close so y'all can see it. Can y'all see that yet? This is her shop. K&S Custom DP Pins on Etsy. Y'all go check her out. Her name's Stephanie. Y'all go check her out. Stephanie, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Yeah. That's so cute. Okay. So the next one is from Mary Mud. Y'all know I like Putty. I ordered Putty from everybody. And this one's going to be struggle bus too to open. I'll be on the struggle bus like diamond painting with Jack. Yo, Diamond Grandma has been having some cute diamond paintings lately. Her diamond paintings she picks out are so cute. Oh my God, I've been watching, I watch Diamond Grandma. But I was trying to play catch up and I watched a couple this morning. And y'all, she got this bee one. It's so stinking cute. I don't know why. I like the colors in it. It's so cute. So cute. Anyway, if y'all haven't checked out Diamond Painting Grandma, y'all go check her out too. She's got a lot of videos. And you could see a lot. Okay, so this is, I've got Mary Mail. See? Mary Mail. Thank you, Meredith. Her name is Meredith. Mary Making and More. Thank you so much for your purchase from Mary Making and More. Love your order. Please consider snapping a quick pic. Okay. And sharing. Okay, great. She has an Etsy shop. She has Instagram, and she has a YouTube channel. This is her information. So if y'all want to purchase putty, or I think she said, and cover minders, y'all can go and check her out. That's her information. So I'm going to scan the QR code because I don't know if I did her Instagram. So here's a sticker. And then she sent a candy. Oh, these are good too. Strawberry cream. I love these. And I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to let y'all know. Okay, so this is her information as well. This is her Etsy store. She has an Etsy shop, okay? I know I mentioned that, but she has an Etsy shop. It's Mary Making and More. And this is her information. And this is where I get my putty from. And this one's called Sweet Milk Mary Mud. Y'all, look how cute that is. Look at this, how cute. You cannot go wrong with this. Look at it. It's a cow. And watch. I love it. I already know I love it. Watch this. If I can open it. Because it's difficult to open, y'all. Oh, gosh. Okay. The struggle is real. I'm on the struggle bus with Jack this morning. Diamond Painting with Jack. If y'all go check her channel out too. I watch her as well. I watch a lot of people. But the reason why I mention her is because I love Jack too. Jack's so sweet. Diamond Painting with Jack. I call her Jack, but it's Diamond Painting with Jack. She has a YouTube channel. Y'all go check her out too. She has good content as well. If I could name everybody that has good content, I'd be here all day. But y'all, a lot of people, y'all just missing it. If y'all not watching YouTube's unboxings of diamond paintings, y'all missing out. All these lovely people have lovely channels. Like Real Men Craft 2, Diamond Painting, Diamond Nana, Dawn has a shop too. Like just a whole bunch of people. They just awesome. But this comes from Mary Making and More. And look, it's cow printed. So not only did it come in this packaging, it is a cow print. Y'all know that's some talent to do this right here. I'm just saying. You know that took some time. Because that's too cute. That's cute. I just think it's cute. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells like... Oh, it smells like... sweet milk. I mean, it smells so good. It really, really, really smells good. Oh my God. If these things were desserts, like April Harris makes mud too. Mud. I'm sorry. Let me rephrase that. April makes putty as well. And they all smell like you want to eat them. Mary Making Mud, all hers, you just want to eat them. Meredith makes good putty as well. I like putty though. I like putty. But those two are my favorite. Oh my God, it smells so good. Meredith, it smells so good. Mary Making and More. That's where this putty comes from. Oh my goodness. Meredith, this is a smell. I could just eat it. Oh my God. A lot of them. I just could eat them because they smell like you could taste them. If that makes sense. So, that's that, and that's her information. And she does have an Etsy shop. So, Etsy, YouTube, and Instagram. So y'all go check these two out. And I'm going to do Stephanie's again. Her name is Stephanie. She makes pins. She also has an Etsy shop, and this is hers as well on Etsy. So y'all go check these two out. Y'all give all those diamond painting, unboxing YouTube channels, y'all go give them a look. Go check them out. All of these are really good community. Our diamond painting communities, just out of this world. They're amazing. So if you have not checked out my Facebook group, I have a Facebook group called Diamond Painting Cajun, and go join. It's free to join. You can post any crafts on there. You don't it does not just have to be diamond painting. You could do coloring. You could post coloring pages, crochet, whatever craft you do, you're welcome to post it in my group. Also, Sunday, I will do a live. I'm going to post what time and the date. I'm going to do a live, and I'm going to do a giveaway. So whoever wants to join in on the giveaway, it's my 700 subscriber giveaway. I know I'm a little late with it, but I've been super busy because I'm making pins now, as I said before. So y'all come check me out Sunday. Come check out my live so y'all can win something. And that's all I have for now. So you guys, y'all have a great day, a great weekend, and I'll see y'all on Sunday. Bye.